Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All thanks is to Allah.
Today we are going to talk about a fascinating topic, that is Darwin's theory of evolution and its intersection with Islam and modern science. Charles Darwin's theory in the 19th century introduced the idea that all the living beings have evolved over time through natural selection.
Do you know that Allah had revealed over 1400 years ago it consists verses that align with many scientific discoveries about creation of life? While Darwin's theory focuses on the physical process of evolution, Islam emphasizes the divine purpose and wisdom behind it.
Our presentation focuses on the scientific aspect of Darwin's theory, the Quranic perspective which acknowledges stages in the creation of life and the diversity of existence, how modern research bridges the gap between these perspectives.
Darwin's theory of evolution introduces the idea that all living beings have evolved over time through natural selection and has went through gradual changes over millions of years. But according to Islamic perspective, this totally differs from the truth.
The Darwin's theory proposed that all species can change over time and all species share a common ancestor. As per Darwin's theory, he said man evoluted from apes. In Islam, the Quran emphasizes that Allah created human in a unique way, beginning with Adam alayhi salam, the first human. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ سُلَالَةٍ مِنْ طِينٍ,
Which means, and indeed we created man out of an extract of clay.
Here we have represented what the Quran says. Quran states that Adam alayhi salam, the first human being, is made out of clay. The elements present in the clay and the human being both are of the same. And Darwin's theory has also not been proven yet.
अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला कुरान में फरमाते हैं कि उसने इंसान को यानी कि आदम अलैहिस्सलाम को मिट्टी से पैदा किया है। इंसान के जिस्म में पाए जाने वाले एलिमेंट्स और मिट्टी में पाए जाने वाले एलिमेंट्स, दोनों एलिमेंट्स में ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलैरिटी यानी कि यकसा दिखने को मिलता है। तो यहाँ पे कुरान की बात में मानने में 100% यानी कि 100% सही मानी जाती है। तो यही डार्विन्स थियरी के हिसाब से जो बंदर से आने का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये बिल्कुल ही मानने लायक या साबित करने लायक नहीं है।
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.